Well, my worst fears happened. My mini Starlink got ran over by the maintenance lawnmower. So, good reasons why you need to get your satellite higher up. Well, one is because buildings or RVs can knock out your signal. People walking by can knock out your signal. Tall grass, and it's safer to put it up higher. Um, it won't get ran over by a riding lawnmower. Won't get knocked over when someone's going to the bathhouse. Uh, it won't get muddy. Dogs won't be peeing on it. So today, I bought this off of Amazon, and it hooks right to your ladder. So let's get it up there. Well, before we can get it up on the ladder, I'm going to show you how to install this on your satellite. First thing you want to do, you want to take this off. And then this will go right in here. See that little hole? Put it right in there. It only goes one way since I got a diamond at the bottom. Just like that. And then it comes with a little screw that you screw it into the back. And it's going to screw all the way into that piece. And then it comes with the tool that you need to tighten it. Just pop that off. Finish tightening it. Just want to do a little hand tight, not too much. It ain't gonna go nowhere. Then you want to take your cord and you're gonna put it through the bottom, and then you're gonna plug it right into here. Once you do that, you can take this and it should just snap right in. And then now we're ready to go put it up on the roof. Alright, so next thing you're gonna do, we're gonna screw this into this. Just like that. And you're gonna take the bottom piece, we're gonna loosen it up enough to clamp it onto the ladder. Alright. Once you get that done, tighten this up. There you go. Now, if you want, you can take your cord and put it against your ladder all the way down with some zip ties. Now, then what we're going to do is we're going to take our plug. We're going to string it right across both of those all the way to the plug-in. So I bought this weatherproof box for the plugs for outside. And what it does, it's going to protect and weatherproof my cords. So my Starlink is going to come through here. And then we're going to put this on. This will lock in. These will lock on both sides. And then this one will lock in. Well, that's the end of the video. If you think I could have done something better, more details, or if I did something wrong, please leave it down in the comment. I would really appreciate it. One thing I do want to put in this video is I wouldn't recommend you driving it with it on the ladder. I don't think it would be strong enough to withstand the wind. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video.